Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can switch it to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, it means that you're on the video mode for sure. Now we can take a look at this option bar here, and at the top we've got the option which is connected with the resolution. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see here it is marked as size, but we've got three different options, so UHD, FHD and HD. All you have to do is to tap on the specific option which you'd like to use. It's totally up to you, and from now on it will be shown on this icon, and it means that our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.